Tidio is a customer experience platform that enables online stores to provide excellent customer service and turn passive visitors into active buyers. It has ready-to-use sales and support chatbots that increase revenue and immediately answer the most common questions of your customers. Managing all your customer messages in one place makes Tidio a simple, yet strong help desk solution for your team. With dedicated Shopify features, it's even more efficient. This app has nearly 2,000 customer reviews with an average rating of 4.6, and most customers appreciate this app for its easy setup, intuitive interface, and high customization. It's praised for boosting conversions and sales through real-time customer service via live chat and chatbots. The AI chatbot is trainable and can filter unnecessary messages. The app offers a free plan, supports multiple languages, and integrates well with social media platforms. You can access this app using the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.